In this video, I will show you exactly how I lost $9,500 due to a crypto exchange scam. Yes, I know it sounds crazy. I warn people all the time to not get scammed and to do their own research when they see an offer that's too good to be true. But this time I was the victim. Let me share my story with you. It all started with a video on YouTube where someone explained how to make money using arbitrage trading. The way arbitrage works is like this. You buy, for example, XRP tokens on Binance, Bybit or another trusted exchange, and then you sell the tokens on another exchange where the token is listed at a higher price. You pocket the difference and repeat the process. In this case, the exchange was called CryptoQS, but this is only one of the many malicious names that these scammers use. They also use Litecoin tokens to lure investors in their scam, as you can see on their YouTube channel page. Anyway, to make a long story short, I was triggered by the video, and I bought a small amount of XRP on Binance to see if it worked as promised. I created a new account on the scam exchange and sent my XRP over there. I swapped the tokens for USDT at a higher price than I bought them and sent the funds back to my Binance wallet. It worked flawlessly. I made $300 in 2 minutes, so I repeated the process. I bought more XRP, sent it to the scam exchange and swapped it for a higher rate. I withdrew the USDT to Binance and I made another $500. I felt like I was printing money and I didn't see what happened. This is exactly what the scammers want you to do. Start trusting them with your money. The first few times, the swapping will work fine and you will make up to 15% profit per swap. It will work as explained in their videos. Since I was able to withdraw all my funds, I started getting greedy, so I bought another $6,000 in XRP tokens on Binance and sent the XRP to the scam exchange to make even more money using this arbitrage trading method. The swap worked as usual, and I made another 15% profit, but when I wanted to withdraw my USDT to Binance, I got a warning message that my account was locked. There was a warning message asking me to send $1,500 USDT to my wallet address to verify and unlock my account. Because I was convinced that this was standard procedure and I had managed to make some good profits with the arbitrage swapping, I sent $1,500 USDT from Binance to my wallet on the exchange. Unfortunately, the amount was less than $1,500 USDT after deducting the network fees, so I contacted support and told them about the issue. You can see the conversation here. The support person only replied to me after 30 minutes and sounded like a robot. He or she said that I had to deposit the exact amount or they could not unlock my account. Anyway, I wanted to get my funds out of the exchange, and I made another $1,500 USDT deposit, hoping that this time it would work. I added more money to be sure to deposit the minimum amount, but again, my deposit was not approved. I went back to support for assistance, and the robot said that it had to be the exact amount, not a cent more or less. I became suspicious and started a conversation, which you can watch here. I asked if there was another way to unlock my account, and asked them to release my funds and send my money back to my Binance wallet. But to no avail. The support robot gave me the exact answer as before. Send $1,500 USDT to your wallet to verify and unlock your account. I explained that I could not deposit the exact amount, due to the fact that network fees changed all the time. But the answer was as expected. They could not do anything for me unless I made the deposit. There was no way to get my funds out of the exchange, and I started realizing that I was scammed. The conversation ended with threats and I got a warning that I would be kicked out of support if I kept asking them to return my money. So I went to Binance to ask for help there. The support people looked into the issue and asked for screenshots, but told me that they could not do anything about it after investigating my case. It was all my fault, and I knew it. I was greedy and did not do my research. It's $9,500 down the drain. The website in question will probably be gone by the time you watch this video, but trust me. I am convinced that they are repeating this scam on another website and other people will fall for their promises. That's why I wanted to share this story with you, so you won't become a victim of these fraudsters with no remorse or compassion. Crypto is the Wild West. Never believe what other people say, especially on YouTube and Twitter. Do your own research. With crypto, you alone are responsible for your money. There's no middleman to go to and ask for a refund when things go wrong. Transactions on the blockchain are irreversible. This has been an expensive lesson for me. I hope you learned something from it. Let me know in the comments if you also got scammed and what you did about it. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like, or even better, subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell to get all my latest videos first. Have a great day, and see you next time.